How we doing? Rigor here today. Just want to show you and go through a couple things I did Sunday morning. Some would say I am a hoarder. I picked up some supplies today. I think of them as art supplies, and we will make something out of all this stuff. I did need this drill press though, because mine was a piece of junk, and I do need this as an organizer for my nuts and bolts. The rest is just cool stuff. I'll make something out of them. Thank you. Club T, Rigor out. Peace.